So we aim to offer a fast-track solution for companies to take action in their own sustainability agenda. In action, Birk Earth offers a solution to scale the impact, right? And this happens by enabling the private sector to scale their influence. Let me walk you through the business model, and then I will connect with the business solution. So on the supply side of this initiative, we have non-profit organizations already doing incredible work in local communities. On the demand side, we have corporations. As we mentioned, they have the resources, and they are starting to look into this direction because of social responsibility, present and future compliance, and because of brand and reputation. Money typically flows from A to B in the form of donations. What we have seen is that in many cases, this is reactive, blocking NGOs' effectiveness and long-term impact. In our model, corporate funding is a direct expense coming from the budgets for sustainability, for corporate reputation, for social responsibility, and so forth. So money is allocated on a subscription basis to projects, obviously, but also to PR and sustainability reporting of our customers. What this means is that throughout a renewable yearly subscription, Birk Earth will do smart, high quality, and very targeted coverage of all aspects of the participation, the impact, and the contribution of each customer. Birk will also look for opportunities to develop and involve a partner ecosystem to bring efficiencies in any given link of the value chains. And of course, everything is bound by technology, including a platform, dashboards, data, impact metrics, content, videos, and all reporting components and tools necessary. Now let's look at the concrete benefits that we want to produce. People in local affected communities are the main stakeholder of this initiative. The ultimate goal of putting this in motion is because of them. They get support, enhanced conditions, and a positive impact in their quality of life. They give support, their amazing commitment, and active participation. Now corporations, remember they are the customer stakeholder for this initiative. This list gathers the main benefits they get, or let's say these are the components of the solution they would buy, right? Please stop the video if you want to look at the detail. Maybe to mention what has been more significant for people during our validation stage is speed, to jump into creating impact with no need for complex planning or deployment or tracking, okay? Recognition, which directly impacts their business goals. As I mentioned, it connects with corporate reputation, with corporate responsibility, with branding, and with business acceleration. And the third one is shareholder success tools, which includes directly supporting our customers on CSR, on ESG, and sustainability reporting. And this is what they give. In brief, the solution companies would get from Birk Earth is to make real impact in the first place, right? Second, they get smart and high quality public relations coverage and marketing of their participation. And third, reporting data and tools. To conclude, existing NGOs are the power partner of this initiative. It is them doing the amazing work on site and engaging with local communities, right? A partnership with Birk Earth will amplify what they are already doing via more consistent and predictable funding, but also hopefully contributing to enhance what they are doing by means of a third-party tech ecosystem. And this is what they give, the commitment, data and transparency, and high ethics. And maybe here a little sort of disclaimer. What we want is to enable corporations to accelerate impact. However, Birk Earth is a complement and not a substitute of the efforts they take on their sustainability journey. Okay, and to conclude this video, let's look at where we are and what lies ahead. Okay, I mentioned before, we are running a very thorough validation stage with corporates and partners, meaning NGOs. This is about proof of concept, defining a minimum viable product with two main outputs that we want. First, the business case to move forwards, obviously, right? And then hopefully clear intention from a number of corporates and NGOs to move forward too. Attracting funding and talent are also key in this phase, okay? Then we have a development phase, basically aim to activate basic traction channels and close the first partnerships. It includes the setup of the commercial operations, where sales and marketing are born, aligned, and integrated. And we finish with a launch phase where we work on executing the traction strategy, engaging with the first sales cycles, and as importantly, deploying the first impact projects. Right now, this project is starting, and there is the opportunity to shape it in many different ways to create something truly amazing. To me, the people involved are the absolute first success factor because a very solid foundation of the company is crucial not only for growth, but for enjoying the ride. So if you see yourself in any of these and would like to start a conversation, please just get in touch. Right, so I describe the problem and then explain the solution, including the main benefits for specific stakeholders. As a final thought, remember that regardless how we frame this problem, combating climate change and working on social problems is about preserving the conditions for local communities not to be destroyed, right? And in many cases, people being forced to be cast away. An alternative for scaling impact is designing and building stronger and smarter networks with clear ways of collaborating. And these networks necessarily include companies, government agencies, NGOs, technology experts, science experts working together and collaborating in a single value chain, if you will, right? And this is the type of network we would like to build with Birk Earth. This is Mauricio. Thank you for watching and the great.